YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how we can add BMI functionality in patient of healthcare system in ERPNext. So for that, let's add some fields in patient, and that field are going to be height, weight, and the BMI. All right. So for that, we are going to customize the default doc type. Let's add some row here, which is weight is going to be float type, height is also going to be float, and BMI is also float. So that's it for the field. Let's update this. Okay, we got the technical name of this field also: custom height, weight, custom height, custom BMI. Let's check in the patient this field are visible or not. In medical history, yeah, we got the field of height, weight. Let's refresh it first. Delete that patient first. Let's create another one. And in medical history we have this field. All right, so let's save it first. Okay, we got this patient is saved. Let's create a client script for BMI. Client script. Okay, there is no client script. Give it a name of BMI. Doc type is patient. All right, enable it. Okay, so I have the code of BMI calculation, which is this. I have pasted it here and save it. That is saved. And let's go on again in patient, click here, reload it. All right, let's put some value in this field. Okay, weight is to 70, height is 172. All right, we got the value of BMI. So this is it for the BMI functionality in patient. So thank you for watching.